Thieves hate this cupholder alarm. Keep car alarm review with 4G video and 120 decibel screamer. You ever walk back to your car with that pit in your stomach, praying your windows are still intact? Yeah, welcome to modern parking paranoia. Whether it's sketchy side streets, late-night gas stations, or just your everyday grocery run, the fear of your ride getting jacked is real. Traditional car alarms? Useless. Half the time you can't even hear them, and when you do, it's already too late. You've got enough stress without wondering if your car is safe every time you turn your back. And don't even get us started on those janky dashcams that only catch the moment after the crime. Now crank up that anxiety. You're juggling errands, your phone's dying, and bam! You get a gut punch alert that someone's messing with your car. But oh wait. No video, no GPS, no receipts. Your alarm didn't even flinch. Insurance says, got proof, and you're left speechless. Thieves are smarter, faster, and bolder than ever. You're still dealing with gear that belongs in the 2000s. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a financial, emotional, and logistical nightmare. The missed evidence. The rising premiums. The time you'll never get back. Something's gotta change, and fast. Meet your new ride or die protector, the Keep Car Alarm. This isn't just a noisemaker, it's a full-on digital bodyguard packed into a cup holder. With a 360 degrees 1080p fisheye camera, for GLTE cloud alerts, GPS tracking, radar motion sensors, and 120 decibel scream level sirens, this device doesn't just react, it warns, records, blinds, and alerts before anything bad happens. It's so smart, it arms and disarms itself automatically. No wires. No tech headaches. Just twist it into your cup holder, and boom, you've got a Fort Knox-level security system ready to throw hands. Want benefits? You got 'em. Get real-time video and motion alerts straight to your phone. Review 360 degrees footage with HD clarity. Deter criminals with flashing red LEDs before they even touch your door. No subscription trap, just $9.99 per month after your free first month, with cloud storage, remote access, OTA updates, and full control from your app. It's built like a tank, runs on your car's 12 volts, and even works during power loss thanks to backup batteries. Oh, and did we mention it's rocking 22 US patents? This ain't no toy, it's serious car security engineered for everyday humans. Don't wait for a break-in to teach you a hard lesson. Join the wave of drivers who've already leveled up with Keep, the car alarm that thieves actually fear. No tools. No drama. No regrets. Thousands have made the switch, now it's your turn. Stocks move fast, and peace of mind is priceless. Click now, claim your free trial month, and take back control. Because your ride deserves more than a panic button, it deserves a plan. Keep Car Alarm, twist, arm, done. Welcome to Car Security 2.0.